Picture this. You're rolling through the jagged mountains of Afghanistan or the dusty IED-laced roads of Iraq, where every bump could be your last. That's where the MRAP All-Terrain Vehicle, MATV, shines. Designed by Oshkosh Defense, this beastly 4x4 is the U.S. military's answer to needing a mine-resistant, ambush-protected MRAP ride that doesn't sacrifice mobility for armor. Born from the harsh lessons of asymmetric warfare, the M-ATV blends heavy-duty protection with go-anywhere agility, making it a lifesaver for troops in high-threat zones. If you've followed our series on military vehicles, from the Bushmaster's Aussie grit to the Striker's versatility, the M-ATV fits right in as the ultimate survivor for counterinsurgency ops. Let's break down why this 4x4 powerhouse became a lifesaver for U.S. forces and allies alike. The M-ATV's tale kicks off in the mid-2000s amid the exploding IED crisis in Iraq and Afghanistan. Traditional Humvees were getting shredded by roadside bombs. So the Pentagon launched the MRAP program in 2007 to field blast-resistant vehicles fast. Bigger MRAPs like the Max Pro worked for convoys, but they were too heavy for rugged terrain. Enter Oshkosh Defense. In 2009, they unveiled the MATV, a lighter, more nimble Category 1 MRAP based on their proven TAK-4 suspension tech. After intense testing, the Army awarded a contract for over 5,000 units. First deliveries hit Afghanistan in 2011, where they quickly proved their worth. Saving countless lives while keeping pace with infantry patrols. At first glance, the M-ATV looks like a beefed-up Humvee on steroids. Angular V-hulled underbody, massive tires, and a turret-ready roof. But dig into the details and its engineering perfection for combat mobility. Key specs paint the picture. Dimensions: about 20 feet, 6.3 meters, long, 8.2 feet, 2.5 meters, wide, 8.8 feet, 2.7 meters, tall. Weight: approximately 12,500 kilograms, 27,500 pounds, to 16,700 kilograms, 37,000 pounds, depending on the variant. Gross vehicle weight up to 32,500 pounds, 14,700 kilograms, or more with 12,000 pounds, 5,400 kilograms payload. Crew capacity: 5. Driver, commander, 3 rear passengers in standard config. Variants seat more. Engine: Caterpillar C7 7.2 liters inline 6-cylinder turbo diesel producing 370 horsepower, paired with Allison 3500 SP automatic transmission. Suspension: TAK4 I-independent setup. AA arms, coilovers, devoured 70% off-road duty cycles. Top speed: 65 miles per hour, 105 kilometers per hour on roads. Still hauls in rough stuff. Range: 320 miles, 510 kilometers on a tank. Tires: 49-inch run flats with central tire inflation system, CTIS, for terrain tweaks on the fly. That TAK4 suspension, it's the secret sauce. Adjustable ride height, insane articulation for rocks and ruts, and durability tested to 10,000 miles of abuse. It climbs 60% grades and fords 30 inches of water, like it's a puddle. MRAP means business when it comes to surviving mines and IEDs. The MATV escort 1080 crew capsule is an armored vault. V-shaped monocoque hull deflects blasts outward. With blast attenuating seat and transparent armor windows. Mine/IED resistance. Withstands 15 pounds under any wheel or 25 plus pounds under the hull. Ballistic protection: STANAG level 1 to 4 against small arms. RPGs with add-ons. Defeat systems: optional mine rollers, jammers, smoke launchers, even active protection like trophy. Egress: dual doors, roof hatch, transparent gunner's turret for 360 degrees awareness. In tests, it shrugged off multiple hits that would flip lesser rigs. Crews rave about the ride. Quiet, spacious with AC for desert ops. The MATV isn't just a survivor, it's a fighter. Standard armament. Weapons: M2.50 caliber. M240 machine gun. MK19 grenade launcher, or remote weapon stations like Crows. Extras: smoke grenades, anti-tank missile in some configs, Oshkosh didn't stop at base models. The MATV family adapts like a Swiss Army knife. Base: troop carrier for patrols. Special Forces: 5-seat with cargo bay. Assault: a modular seating for quick strikes. Engineer: mine-clearing roller, extra storage. Command: comm suite, extended wheelbase. Utility: ambulance, recovery, cargo hauler. Over 10,000 built or configured, it's the MRAP that adapts. Deployed everywhere from Helmand province to Syria, the MATV logged millions of miles. In Afghanistan, it cut route clearance casualties by 80% versus Humvees. Troops loved its speed keeping up with foot patrols, unlike lumbering 6x6 MRAPs. Post-2015 drawdown, many went to Ukraine via presidential drawdowns, still shredding Russian convoys today. Allies like Croatia and Bosnia run them too. Its 70-30 off-road profile means it thrives where others bog down. Oshkosh keeps upgrading. Better electronics, hybrid powertrains in testing, lighter composites. The JLTV may replace some roles, but M-ATV's blast protection keeps it vital for high-threat ops. With service life to 2040 plus, it's cost-effective at $500,000 per unit. Why the MATV rules. Mobility. TAK-4 eats terrain Humvees, fear. Lives saved. Blast tech proven in hellscapes. Versatile. One platform, endless missions. Reliable. 95% plus uptime in the field. It's the vehicle that lets infantry maneuver aggressively without dying. The Oshkosh M-ATV isn't flashy like a jet or tank. It's the gritty workhorse saving soldiers daily. In a world of drones and precision strikes, it reminds us ground truth still demands tough wheels. From IED alleys to mountain ambushes, the M-ATV delivers troops safe, fast, and ready to fight. Next time you see convoy footage, spot that angular prow. That's the M-ATV, turning threats into history.